my goodness. No, thank you. What's up, wonderful people? Today we are going to SeaQuest. It is a very special place because this place has over 1,000 exotic animals. At this place, we are able to touch, feed, and participate in their animal interactions.
Special thanks to SeaQuest for hosting us today. And if you decide to visit SeaQuest, don't forget to use our codes RAINIERSFAMILY to receive 3 admission tickets.
Wait. 3 free admission tickets? That's awesome!
Yeah.
Alright, so come and join us to explore SeaQuest. Let's go! Alright guys, so SeaQuest is actually located in Woodbridge Center. They are at the lower level in the mall. The mall is very big. They have a lot of shopping area. They have restaurant, they have food. So make sure if you come here, check their map. It's very easy to find them. Alright, so this is what available today. Snorkeling, outer encounter, slot encounter, flying squirrel. That's awesome. I cannot wait for this one. Woo! Alright, so here's the entrance, the line, and that's the tickets price. So that's the admissions tickets price. For the animal interactions, they do price differently. So for pricing information, don't forget to check their website for detailed information. So we did check in already. Our ticket is the one that with VIP. So we have the snorkeling, squirrel, otter, and slot. We're gonna do the slot and otter first. Alright, let's go, guys. Ooh, check this out. Since everything is already done by schedule, so we really have to hurry a bit. I think first we're gonna do the slot and then we're gonna explore around more. First, let's go. This is the slot area.
We're gonna fit the slot from here.
Alright, so we're gonna fit the slot.
We're gonna let her get into position real quick. She's gotta rearrange herself so that her head's over here. If you want to start, we got lettuce, carrots, cucumbers, zucchini, whatever you want to start going for.
You get the fountain paper? How about you open
You're gonna squeeze it and then you're gonna put it all the way through and let her grab it and let her out of her mouth.
Are you excited? Big balls. Like cucumber. Oh, the last one. Yes, ready. So excited.
She's ready for you.
Get
She's
ready
like,
for
excuse
you.
me. That is a yellow squash.
Yellow squash. We just finished the sloth animal interactions. It was so much fun.
Yeah.
Very informative. The guy who are helping us to feed the animal, he's also very helpful.
Very
a lot
good.
of fun information. We learn a lot of new things. Next one is we're going to otter, right?
Yes, the
Alright,
otter.
let's go.
So excited. Let's go.
You're gonna take your piece of fish, put it all the way through, let the otter grab it, take plenty of pictures and videos. If you have any questions, let me know. Chip and Dale. They are brothers of, like I said, about 3 years old now.
Oh, look at that. So cute. Like puppies, all right. I'm gonna eat
And these
it.
guys only get about 2, maybe 3 feet long, fully grown. They actually went in, they started pushing each other in the water. Exactly.
We're done with the otter. Now we're going to the flying squirrel. Let's go, guys. Well, we have to wear gloves. I am ready. All right, let's go. Thank you.
Which is their daytime, and at night we turn the bright lights on so they think it's daytime for their nighttime. Other reason for the black lights is they're called.
I have two. Put money to me.
A lot of people think that these guys are called sugar gliders. Sugar gliders are very. These guys are closer to home than you think. They're right in our backyard. They come from New
Alright guys, so we're done with the flying squirrel. This is so much fun, so cute. So if you're here, definitely you have to do that one too. Alright, so next we are going to the fish
kisses.
kissing. Oh, fish kisses.
What is that?
I have no idea.
Let's see how
go.
the fish gonna kiss you.
Yeah, let's find out. Let's go, guys. So, if you want some free pedicure, come here. This is awesome. Okay, so we're done with the fishes kisses. This is awesome. It's really ticklish, but it's fun. You guys love it or not?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness. Oh. Lion. No, thank you. Alright, that one is super cool, but I don't want to touch it. I'm too scared. Hi guys, so the VIP, the one that we have, doesn't include petting the snake. So if you're interested, it costs about 3 tokens. Our next appointment for the snorkeling is 2 o'clock. Now it's about 1:35, so we still have time. Let's walk around and let's check out the Parakeet Paradise. Oh, this is awesome!
I get lost in your deep blue eyes, like a shell in the sea. I fall in love over and over when you're looking at me. I think about all the work we've done.
If you're here, it's just 1 token per person. Make time to go there. Awesome! Sayang tunggu sayang. After Koko your turn, I wanna record you guys too, yeah? This is awesome. All of these big fish. Woo! Whoa! You okay, Gabriel? You okay? You okay? Okay, we still have time. Let's go to the Iguana Nirvana. Let's go. Whoa, they're waiting for food. That's a big one right there. Alright, going to the iguana is free, but for you who feed the iguana, we can get their food here. 1 token. Wow. Okay, how about the red one? Whoa.
Oh, the other one. Yeah.
You're fighting. Like, give me. That's mine. That's my food. Feeding iguana. That was fun.
Fun, yeah.
Alright, I think it's almost time for us to do the snorkeling. Alright guys, it's our turn. Okay, the nice things about this place, they also have a nice area, private area for you to change.
They're called trevally. They're also known as yellow. There's only one over here.
I gave you. Your feet. There you go. Go guys. Now let's continue to explore SeaQuest. Let's go guys. Pufferfish. What's up guys? Okay, this is so cool. So if you're interested to have a birthday party, you can have a birthday party here too. Make sure to contact them for more information. Silky. She does. Piggy. This is python. Yeah, python. Very interesting jellyfish. So we're back to where we started. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. So once again, the admission itself, it will bring you to a lot of places because this place is huge. But I do recommend you to check out the animal interactions. It's extra, but hey, it's very, very worth it. So check their website for more information. As promised, let's check out their gift shop. $13.99. They sell some sweater here. More dolls. Mostly are dolls here, animal dolls. Very cute. Swaddle babies. More dolls here. Mermaid stuff here. More dolls here. Books. Alright, so this concludes our video at SeaQuest. Don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. Remember, if you're planning to come here, don't forget to use our code RAINIERSFAMILY. You will get 3 free admissions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!